Today we will create a beautiful handmade decoration using the decoupage technique on clay shapes. What is decoupage? Decoupage is a decorative art technique where you apply paper or fabric cutouts onto a surface and seal them with layers of glue or varnish. This creates a smooth, painted effect and allows you to personalize any object with unique designs. Let's get started. For this project, you will need clay shapes, any form that you would like, sandpaper, 400 or 450 grit, gesso primer to prepare the base, napkins with printed designs. We'll use a tearing or wet brush technique, various brushes for application, decoupage glue or a mix of glue and varnish, acrylic paints, sponges for blending edges, protective varnish, and the string for hanging your ornament. And now that we have everything, let's begin. First, smooth out any rough edges using sandpaper. Then, apply a layer of gesso primer with a brush to create a perfect base for the design. Allow it to dry completely before moving on. An artisan tip: for a smoother finish, apply 2 thin layers of gesso instead of 1 thick layer. Next, we prepare our napkin design. Gently separate the top printed layer. This is the only layer we will use. To create soft edges, either tear the napkin by hand or use a wet brush to outline and pull apart the shape. An artisan tip: soft edges blend better with the background, making the final design look more natural. Apply a thin layer of decoupage glue on the clay surface. Carefully place the napkin on top, smoothing it from the center outwards to avoid wrinkles. Then, apply another thin layer of glue over the napkin to seal it and ensure a durable finish. Artisan tip: use a soft brush to apply glue from the center outward. This will prevent bubbles and tears. Now, let's enhance the design with acrylic paint. Using a sponge, gently blend colors around the napkin edges for a smooth, natural transition. Artisan tip: for a vintage look, try using pastel or earth tone colors. To protect our design, apply a final coat of protective varnish. Once it's dry, attach a string so you can hang your beautiful ornament anywhere. Artisan tip: a matte varnish gives a soft, antique look, while a glossy varnish makes the colors pop. And here's our final piece, a handmade clay ornament with a decoupage finish. Try making your own and share your results with us. See you in the next video!